Hi, my name is Ashutosh Naik, roll number 20EC10015. I have created two designs. In the first design, I have created a circle in the XY plane, then paired it, then again on top of it, I have created another circle of smaller radius and then again paired it. I have created a fillet on top of it and then repeating two more times I have created these cylinders. And then again in the XZ plane, I have first created a line along this axis and then a spline along this curve. I have joined them and using the revolve operation I have created the top portion. Using the part function I have created these rings. These two are for holding the cups and after that I have created this hole on top of it to give this finishing. In the second design I have created a dumbbell. This dumbbell first I have created a circle and then created a hexagon for inside the circle. I have loft this hexagon and toggle that circle. After that I created a circle of smaller radius on top of this hexagon and then pad it and copy this hexagon for this two also and then loft it again. And after that using the part operation I have created a ring along this circle and made an array of 44 of them, and after that I removed them using the boolean cut operation to give this grooving structure. In the Cura you can see the dumbbell. In this profile we have created this draft fast, and for the build plate adhesion type it's cut. The printing temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. The build plate temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. The print speed is 60 mm per second, and the infill density is 3%. Same for the extruder too. Let's check it out. It's like a printing time. As you can see, it is 1 hour and 53 minutes. Let's first see its preview. You can see its profile is draft fast and the same as the infill density is 3% and the printing temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. The build plate temperature is 80 degrees Celsius and the print speed is also 60 mm per second, and the build plate adhesion type is cut, and same for the extruder one. Now for its slicing time, 2 hours and 2 minutes, and its preview is something like this. So thank you.